take a step out, get some air now, let's go air down.
Tiramisu is that. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it's gonna be a very different vlog, different from what I usually post, so today is gonna be a cooking vlog. So today I'm gonna be making tiramisu because over the holidays I ate so much tiramisu that today the craving just hit. This week the craving just hit. Let's make tiramisu and we are gonna make tiramisu together, okay? So come along. So what we're gonna use is coffee, whipping cream, cheese, condensed milk for sweetness, and we made pancakes the other day, so we using this, and lady fingers.
Since I disappeared, if you left, feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe when he lost his shit. Gotta hold my own, my cross to bear alone now. Ooh, way to deal, way to kill the food. No, you like that shit, can't do it, baby. Heavy on my empty mindset. I can't give up losing the best of me. Still worried now, wasted the best of me. Oh, you babe, you don't care. Not trying to be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Trying to make sense of little change, got me a war in my mind. Let it go away, think he was holding me to the right, but it will pick up in front of me.
Look at her. Huh. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. Huh. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in a hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a peace of mind, baby. Come and get a peace of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young Tiller, girl, I'm known as Pink Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Girl, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so much to live for, too, baby. Whoa. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got.
Me, can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause a thing, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. I wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me?
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Stays. My mind, and my body. My body stays. My mind, and my heart. My body stays. I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is. But you got me going crazy. Just to do it so amazing. How long can you go, baby? That lasts till my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it it over, taste it and call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You'll try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop.
Dog status, Bell Harbor. I bought Lennox Mall for my brothers. 4-yard bag, tote the cutter. I got it out the field, fuck Russell. Going as L'Oreal back to Paddock, then going as Jordan as dead. Philippe water trying to drown a bitch. Just a habit tricking on a bitch. Shit, I'm thinking I'm cribbing a pimp. Shit, I'm cooking up dope like it's dinner. Shit, that curve was gon' sit nigga trim. Shit, I'm floating, I'm out in the blimp. Shit, it look like I'm swimming in glass. Shit, I turn on my bitch cause she bad. Shit, I'm making her ex nigga mad. Shit, they go for that bap up a smash. Real nigga alert up, clearing the bag. Piping a bitch, it ain't then I got cash. Turn up the shooters, the switches go bad. Stay with some scammers, but don't moving past. Trapping no rapping, my dog, he fall off. No capping, no bound, I'm a brick. Fuck on your bitch and I told her to call off. Actually, I'm making her quit. Painkiller, got my little demons on gold, they ready to hit with the stick. Painkillers, got my little bitch on gold, she ready to eat up the dick. My main hitters, call up the gang members, they was already on the lick. Hanging with Migos, all these drugs and guns, think we best again.
He want the scoop, she want the tea, she want the tea. I cannot speak, we keeping it street, we keeping it street. I took a loss, but you still gon' get beat, you still gon' get beat. How much it costs?
Normally I'm quick to switch up my playlist. I might unpack my bag and don't say shit. I got what it takes to say this. I got all the plays and I played it out like this. I wanted to say this. Want us to make it. I'll trade it all for you. But it just hurts so much when it ain't working out. 'Cause I don't want nobody else but you. And I used to be on my replacement shit.
And my tiramisu is done.
Damn quick, if we ain't getting with my shit, but it just ain't like that, sure. I even had tried that shit with you before. What I was done, I'd have tried something new. I don't know
What it is. So yeah guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it, because I know it's something that I don't really bring here, and I would try to bring more cooking videos and things like this. So yeah, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Sharing is caring, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scared.